Hi, hello everyone. Today I'm going to be swatching and reviewing for you 3 of the new L'Oreal Lumi Le Liquid blushes. I'm going to show you the swatches first since that's what everyone wants, and then I will be back to tell you what I think of the formula and the colors. So let's get started. Okay, these blushes come in this beautiful tube. It has a doe foot applicator. The formula on all of them is consistent. It's a smooth gel-like formula. It's easy to blend. It is no fragrance-free. There's no scent to these, which I'm relieved by because often L'Oreal's products have a heavy perfume and this one has no scent. These come in 2 finishes, dewy and glowy. 2 of the shades I showed you were dewy and one of the shades were glowy. I'm actually wearing right now the glowy shade, which is called, this is glowy gold pink, which is this one right here. I love the rose gold caps, it's so elegant. And I also like that you can see the product through the tube. It's really nice, really pretty. So, of the 3 shades I got right here, the glowy shade is actually the sheerest. This one is very sheer. I shouldn't say very sheer, but it's sheerer than the dewy ones. They're all highly pigmented. I've forgotten what they retail for, so I'll add that in here somewhere, and of course, it will be in the description, but you get quite a bit because you don't have to use very much of these. I have to use more of this one to get it to show up on my skin than these, but the color of this dewy one is so pretty and I actually really like the sheen. But here's the thing, if your skin is textured, this will enhance the texture because it's shimmery. It's not, there's no glitter in it. It's just a beautiful golden sheen, which is why this is called glowy gold pink. It really is a golden pink. It is so beautiful. Can you see the gold and the pink? But any texture on your skin and this will make it more apparent. The dewy ones do not make texture look more apparent, but they are not blindingly dewy. They don't look like a wet slick. They're like a matte, satin matte dewiness to them. Another thing about these is I have tried to put them over a heavier foundation and when I did that, they just became really patchy. So these go well with skin tints and tinted moisturizers and things like that. They do not go well with long wear foundations. They will eat through the product and become patchy. You can also powder over this, but don't try to put these on over powder or you will have a hot patchy mess. I tried that one time and it didn't work. So these are a good formula if you put them on bare skin over a skin tint or a tinted moisturizer. I have it on over a tinted sunscreen. It's powdered and powdered over top, a little powder to set it. These do not need to be set with powder. Even the dewy one doesn't need to be set with powder. Another good thing about them that I found is that they don't fade, and once they dry down, they stay where you put them. They don't move around your face. They don't melt in heat. It's very hot and humid where I'm from here in Virginia. This went nowhere. It didn't melt off in the heat. So I like this product because the way I use it, I don't use it over a heavy foundation. I don't really like heavy foundations. So for me, this is a good product. It's highly pigmented, beautiful colors. I like all three colors. I honestly don't know which of the colors I like best. If I had to pick a favorite, it would be the dewy pink because it's just so pretty. It's such a pretty shade. But I like all three, and I only like this one slightly more. And it really depends on the clothes I'm wearing, the lipstick I want to wear, my mood, which of these becomes my favorite. But of all my liquid blushes, these are my favorite liquid blushes. But again, these are not going to work for you if you're a full beat person. If you like heavy foundation, heavy concealer, heavy 10 tons of powder, and then blush, this won't work. It will eat through your makeup. Good formula, good colors, just that one thing. Be careful with what kind of foundation you wear with it. If you like this review, please like and subscribe. My name's Mimi, and I will talk to you later. Bye-bye.